Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to remove the yoke puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Robrecht Rouage from Belgium. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to remove the yoke, or remove the coin that is hidden inside. This puzzle has two parts, the frame and the slider that is inside, and you can move slider to the right or to the left, but it stacks approximately 1 centimeter when you move it to the left or to the right. And it seems impossible to solve this puzzle. But there is a way how to do it, and the major hint that I can give you here is listen to the puzzle. Maybe it's gonna help you to solve it. If you remove the yoke puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So the solution is quite complicated since you can't see what is happening inside. You can try to imagine what is happening there, but it's going to be quite difficult since all what you can hear inside is some kind of metal balls moving, and that's it. And when you move the slider to the other side, they don't move at all. So that seems like completely impossible to figure out solution. But if you're stuck and don't know how to solve it, just try to follow my steps. So first of all, put the puzzle like this, remove the slider to the left. Now put it face up. Move the slider back inside so that it sticks on the right a little bit when you hear one of the balls falling down. And now you can move the slider back to the left. And voila, the puzzle is solved. You can remove the yoke. To put it back, you have to do exactly the same steps. Move the slider inside, but now you heard 2 balls falling down. That means that I made 2 wide moves and I have to start from the beginning. And sometimes even you hear only 1 ball falling down, you still can't remove it, so you have to make a couple of tries. Usually it takes me more than one try to remove the yoke, and I was very lucky this time to remove it so quick. But now I have to put it back, and it might take me a little bit longer to do it. Again, 1 ball fell down, but still I can't remove the inner part. Let's try again. Hope this time I will be lucky. Yep, this time everything works fine. I can put the coin back inside, move the slider back, shake the puzzle a little bit, and it is locked and ready to be solved again, or ready to torture another puzzle collector or puzzle solver who never solved it before. So if you never tried to solve this puzzle, it's gonna take you a lot of time, probably hours and maybe sometimes even days, since it is very tricky. If you remove the yoke puzzle, or you want to try some other great puzzles made by Robrecht Rouage, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!